Hello guys, today we're playing Forza Horizon 2. I got a lot of views on my last video, so I thought why shouldn't I make another one? Okay, let me just check the volume. Yeah, 5 is okay. Okay. This should be interesting. In last video, you remembered when we got that ticket for the other festival? Or whatever it was. I'm still with the same car. I just went in a game and tried to do some challenges where you just get in other cars and need to drive fast. Wait, what? What? Well, I'll just do this race first. I'll start easier. Okay. Wait, this is a full right. Okay, I had no idea what just happened. And the race. Okay. This shouldn't be hard. The track, it was easy. Oh no. Don't tell me we're right here. Oh. You know that my car is terrible on dirt. It's so slow. Let's hope that I can do it. Oh, okay. We're not starting on dirt. That's the important thing. Wait, aren't there any other cars? Starting grid. What's this? I'm last. 8. Because I'm the fastest. No, no, stop. I haven't played for a really long time. Okay guys, I'll get first place. Okay. Yeah, that one bump, or someone bumped me in the back, messed me up. But now I have speed. Here I'll just speed down a bit and then continue getting max speed. Yeah, get out of here. That other driver tries to bump me and worked out. He gave a second space to some. I don't think that he understands that the second place is reserved for him. Okay, this is only lap 2. I've got time. And I'm already first. I hope no one will go in front of me until the end of the race. That's my goal here. To the end of the lap, no one to be in front of me. Okay, they're far behind. Yeah, this bump really helped me here. It didn't mess me up. I'm trying to get the best lap speed. Okay, I didn't bump there. That should help me. Last lap, I did it for 1 minute 31 seconds. This lap, I'm in a minute in. I think I'll do it faster. Yeah, definitely faster. Okay. Speed. No! And I want to be first to the end of the lap. But right at the end, because I was too slow, he went in front of me. I won't let this happen again. Using gold drift is much easier than actually using drift. If I use drift on every sharp turn, I will be last, for sure. Okay, yeah, he's definitely close behind me. Okay, yeah, there he is. But on the next turn, I'll be in front of him. He will have excellent turning skills. Right after the turn, he goes second. Okay, I should watch more of my race than what's happening on the sides of my screen. Okay, now speed. I have to be first. I shouldn't be. I have to be. Yes. I'm definitely first. Yes. I haven't lost one race. Woohoo! Nice cash. So I could buy a new car. Yes, the next level and a skill point and 2 levels? Okay. Sports cars champion. Championship progress. Ooh. Not bad. So that the screen up there is cut on purpose. You still see the whole thing, but the white rim around my TV, I just thought it would be better when I cut it out. Let's see, what's my next race? What are these races? The festival. I'll just do races. This or these races. All time sprint. Well, a sprint race doesn't sound bad. Why not? Okay, I'll do a sprint race, and then we could check out those other things. No, I thought I was going for a hard right turn when I saw the red line there. Actually, the turn wasn't as heavy. Right near miss. Wait, that's a sprint race. Oh no, it isn't. Okay. This is a sprint race. You saw it, there were a lot of turns, so it could be easy, it could be hard. That's a really nice car. Okay, I think at 100,000 I could get a Bugatti or something like that. I hoped the Bugatti was 100,000 because I have 89,000, then this race probably I'll get like 11. No, it's down sprint. Am I alone? Tell me I'm alone. No. Of course, those guys should be here. I'm last, so there's nothing to say. No one behind me. By the way, at all racing games, they always let you last. They've never let me first. Okay, these guys don't have... Their cars aren't as slow as I thought. But their cars aren't slow, mine is just faster. This is a sprint race. I have to be fast. No. Okay, I totally messed this up. No. I keep getting distracted. Yes. Get out of my face. This guy has such a slow car and is somehow in first place. No, 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 no. Get out of here. I'm first. Okay, I hear. Let's slow down for the turn. Oh wait, he didn't get back in front of me. That's okay. That's good. That's good. And another skill point. Okay. Nope. No, that totally messed me up. Or it didn't. Wait, it didn't mess me up. It didn't help me, but it almost messed me up for good. Good that my car is fast, I can make a good comeback. I can't take such a big lead because of the rookie mistakes I did at the very beginning. Woohoo! If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, I think you should go down there, obliterate the like button, and subscribe. Did I tell you that at the end of this video, if call the best toy, that means me, I will reveal my face. That was one of my main points to this video, to have a face reveal.
Okay, you've done really well. You just need to come top 3 in the next race, and the championship is yours.
Okay, so I'll save the championship for the next video that I'll film right after this one because I don't want to make this one too long. I can't see how long it is. Well, let's do one more challenge and I'll just save video. Okay. Let's see. The Bugatti first.
Hey there, what's that?
What is this car? Wait, what? Yeah. Like I have money to buy that car. I hear all these cars that don't even look good and probably are pretty fast, but I'm getting why they are so expensive. I'm just trying to find the car that I liked. Wait, Lamborghini. Jaguar, Ferrari, all these other random cars. Looking at something that I can buy at SRT. Okay guys, comment which car I should get. Yeah, here are the real expensive cars. Okay, I think. Yeah, I'll just collect more.
Come on in. How can I help?
Yeah, I'll just collect more money. Let's see, what's this? No friends. No. First. Yeah, I have a nice license today.
200 meters, turn right. Turn right. In 100 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 400 meters, turn left.
I don't know what they're talking about because before we turn left, I need to turn right.
Turn left.
Yeah, here I turn left. Then before that. Yes. Oh, I don't know why, but I just hate sprint races. My God, this is a shortcut.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Here it is, the road. It would be funny if you could, if the races didn't have checkpoints, and you could just turn around and go to a finish line 3 times and say 3 laps.
400 meters, turn left.
Can I just go forward again?
Turn left. Turn right.
Okay. Wait, the skill points, I forgot. Bucket list. Social, car, progress. Perks. Oh, perks. Do you have any? 2 available. Super. 3. 3 perks. 3 perks. 3. Okay. Why are you so expensive? Can I get anything for 2 perks? I need to get 1 more level so I can get 1 more perk. Or as I can, or a skill point, however you like to say it. that already there?
Turn left.
If the race is there, why I just don't go forward?
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
This is the fastest way to get. Hey, they gave me a kangaroo achievement. Whatever it means. Maybe because my car got nice air. Oh, come on. Why always the loading screens have Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Aston Martins, and all those fast cars that I always want to get in the game? Okay guys, let's... Time driven 1 hour, total wins 500 CR. Yeah, I don't care. Oh, another race? This one is easy. That's the only thing I know. The track is easy. That's why I chose it. 3 laps. And this is the track. I think I don't have anything to worry about. Except this lucky bot that are far ahead. They're not super fast. My car is slow. I just need to accelerate faster. You thought you can help me back from first place when you give him a head boost? No, I don't think so. At first, whatever happens. I don't have a lost race except the one with the plane, but I don't count that. I count car races, not car and plane races. If you don't count the one with the plane, in last video I haven't lost. On camera and off camera. Okay, easy. Wait, I'm on second lap? When did that happen? I don't care. Okay guys, this race was so easy. That dude isn't even close. We could just turn around and go back. No. Because he thinks he can catch up. Okay, this bump should help him. Yeah, I just saw him in my back mirror. Okay, that's the last time we'll see him, guys. Sorry if you like his car or something. We won't see him anymore. Now I want him to absolutely erase from my map. Super, I can't see him in my map anymore. That's a good sign. I hope we can lap someone. Imagine we lap the last one. Let's try to do that. No, that guy is catching up. Okay, both laps, I've done them for the same time. Okay, and I'll drop the controller on the table once I can get a straight line. That's the controller, and that's the race. Not a bad man. Not a bad race, guys. Okay, let's see before I end this video what I can buy. Okay, now sell. XP, totally enough. Yes. Woohoo. Almost 2 levels at once.
Just one more race, and the championship is yours.
Event progress. Okay. Let's not turn off the console. Blah 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 blah. Okay, come on. Oh, why is my Xbox so slow? Come on. Yes! Okay. End this video. I'm buying a new car. No? Get out of here.
Hey, how's it going? What can I do to help
Swords.
ya?
No price. Raise division. Here, I think there should be only race cars. Lamborghini. Wait. Oh, I want for my money. I won't get them for the Lamborghini yet. Jeep. Optima. Ooh. I think I'll buy the Ultima. I thought the Lamborghini was that. Okay, I think I'll buy the Ultima. Yeah, definitely buy. Okay guys, I said face reveal. Here we go. Hi guys, this is me. How are you? And this will be the video. Bye.